I'm kind of sad that Sarah wouldn't fit in this.
So let's go, I'm sure you can.
Hey guys, it's Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am here with my boyfriend.
Hello!
In today's video, I am super excited because I'm pretty sure that this video is going up on my birthday.
Happy birthday for that day.
Thanks, because I won't be seeing you on my birthday. I'm just gonna have a day on my own.
That's your birthday wish, not being with me.
Also, apologies if you guys hear like this beeping noise throughout this video. Our building like keeps beeping. I don't really get why, but they don't fix it, so. I wanted to film this video for my birthday vid, so I hope you guys like it. It is a boyfriend buys my outfits Halloween costume edition. It's gonna be amazing, hopefully, because at the moment this is my Halloween costume because I don't have anything to wear. If you guys haven't already watched one of these videos, I basically just like send Kane out to the store to get me some costumes. I'm pretty sure like Kane bought like 3 costumes, so fingers crossed I have one. But anyways, this is Kane. I sent him to the store with my friend Holly.
I took hours.
This is a different day to Kane went to the store. That's how long he was gone. So, this is what happened.
I leave the TV on, I'm done with your sad eyes.
I'm here just like hoping that I find like a Harry Potter costume.
So let's go.
I'm kind of sad that Sarah wouldn't fit in this. I found the robe. It was right next to the brooms.
So that was Kane at the store. Thumbs this video up if you guys like it, and let me know in the comments what you guys are dressing up as this year, or if you're not dressing up, yeah, just say hey. Make sure to hit subscribe, notifications, comment, like the video,
Dislike
all that
it.
stuff. Don't dislike it. Okay, I hope you guys like this video. Let's do it. Woo! I feel like my favorite thing about these videos is the fact that it feels like Christmas.
That's for Halloween. Here we go.
Okay. What is this?
It is a nurse costume,
Oh my goodness.
but it kind of doesn't make sense, right? You're like confused.
Oh, I'm like scared of it. I just think that if anyone said, will you ever dress up as a nurse for Halloween? I would have said no.
You're a vet! And I got
I'm a vet!
And I got a little pumpkin outfit for the dog.
What? Wait, did you get the outfit for the dog?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's the cutest thing I've ever seen in my whole life. Oh my god.
Sarah and I saw some puppies the other day and they're like so cute when they're together, so you've got to.
Oh my god, it's like my favorite. Oh. Wait, this one's so left out, it doesn't have a costume. Honestly, when you got this nurse costume out, I was like, I hate you. But I'm into the vet costume. I mean, I don't know if vets wear this, but like, she ain't just any kind of nurse. She's a heart-stopping nurse.
Is that what it says?
I feel so uncomfortable. Alrighty.
Not finished. Honestly, like, I just thought this hat was a little bit better. I got you a different one.
A different hat.
Yeah.
I'm down for the idea of being a vet. I'm like 10 out of 10 nervous to try this on. I feel so awkward.
That's so funny. You actually look cute though, babe. The belt doesn't fit.
The belt straight up doesn't fit. Also, I don't really know how to say this, but this button doesn't button up. Like, there's no hole in the button.
Imagine if it was like one down.
That would like literally be over my I don't think it's your fault, but this costume is bad. Like, also you can just like straight up see my whole butt. Like, that's my actual underwear. Oh my god, this is a sticker.
Probably like a sailor's cap too, and they put like a different
Oh my
sticker.
god, it is. The size doesn't fit, but maybe if it fits. But the little dogs make the costume. Hey. Can you imagine if your like nurse or your vet came out with like this vampire cape on? You'd be like, I'm going. I'm going.
I'm not sick anymore, see ya.
I'm gonna rate you like a 9 out of 10 for creativity. Would I wear it? No. My overall rating is probably like a 4, and I'm only giving you a 4 because like you were creative. The actual costume, it sucks. Anyways, I'm gonna go take off this costume that makes me feel uncomfortable. Rate it in the comments. Guys, I'm nervous. I hope everything else is like more not sexy, because I'm not a sexy kind of gal, you know?
Outfit number 2. This one is my favorite one.
Wait, should I guess? A dog or a devil? Wonder Woman, Spider-Man. Oh my gosh, am I a hot dog? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, this is my Halloween costume.
So,
I promised that yesterday I was thinking I want to dress up as Harry Potter for Halloween. You don't even One time Kane bought me a chocolate wand.
And look what I found.
Oh, best day ever.
We've got the sorting hat.
Oh, dang.
Interesting. You're a strong one, I see. Hufflepuff! Sarah hates being in Hufflepuff.
If I could pick which house I would be in, I would be in Gryffindor or Slytherin, but I got put in Hufflepuff.
Comment down below what you're in. I'm in Gryffindor. Sorry about that. The weirdest thing is, right, I'm not actually done. Hey, you got a tie.
Oh, dang!
Damn. You also have...
Oh my gosh, did you find me a button up for the tie? This is like a legitimate Halloween costume.
You have
Oh, a little
grey sweater.
What?
I've got you a black shorts because you are Hermione.
Oh my god, this is like literally the best Halloween costume that I've ever had. These are cute. Okay.
Thinking if you don't actually pick her for your Halloween costume outfit this year, you can return the stuff. So
No, I'm not returning my freaking Hermione Granger costume. Like, hell no. I love that I got resorted into Hufflepuff again.
Oh, the funniest thing is, sidebar. Sarah put a book and put it on a story, and it's this Harry Potter book.
These are the house edition ones. So everyone's like, oh my gosh, Sarah's in Slytherin. So cool. But little does anyone know, I'm in Hufflepuff.
How boring.
Closest I'm ever gonna be to being in Gryffindor. Wait, I'm not, I don't actually need the hat.
Yeah, we know which house you're in.
Oh, hey,
Yes! This is so freaking cool, babe!
I even got some socks on.
Oh, this is amazing!
Wingardium Leviosa. So proud of this costume.
Look at you!
I straight up feel like this is the most legit costume that I've ever worn. I'm so excited for Halloween because I'm totally wearing this. Spoiler alert, I'm going as Hermione. We got the broom, we got the sorting hat.
Oh, the broom's still got the sticker on. The Nimbus 2000's ready to go.
Yes! I'm proud because the costume didn't all come in a box. Like, the only thing that came in that packet was the cape.
Yeah.
You did the whole thing. The only thing I hated was trying to tie the tie. I had to watch about 7 videos on it. For creativity, I think I'm gonna rate it like an 8 because people are totally gonna be dressed up as like Harry Potter and like Hermione Granger. But I feel like you were super creative still because you did it all by yourself.
I need to dress up as Harry Potter.
Oh,
Can I?
Wait, what are we gonna do on Halloween?
We could watch Harry Potter while dressed up as Harry Potter and Hermione.
I feel like watching a movie on Halloween sounds sad. In the comments, if you guys want us to come to your Halloween party, hit me up because...
Super down.
I mean, look at me. I would wear it.
Yes.
Overall, I'm gonna rate it a 10 out of 10 because I'm so excited that I got a Halloween costume. I didn't actually do a good job of the tie.
oh, hey,
For your last costume, what do you think is going to be? 2 guesses.
Spider-Man or a hot dog?
You are a cat.
I don't want to be a cat though.
You
I'm
don't
here
really-
for it.
I found a way better tail. I don't understand how you put it on.
I promise that I think I've had this exact cat costume before.
So I'll return this and you use your other cat costume.
Oh, I don't have it still. I just keep my cat costume stored in my closet.
You can't just be a naked cat because it doesn't cover anything.
I agree. I'm not trying to be naked.
I got you a new pair of tights. These are the ones you use every day anyway, so you got a freshie.
Ooh, ooh.
Thanks, Cotton On.
we
Well,
love-
no, don't say that. That's not a sponsorship. Why did I say thanks, Cotton On? I bought them.
We love a fresh pair of leggings.
And I also got you this because I wasn't sure how you'd feel. Like, it depends how, like...
A little sexy cat action.
Don't.
Ooh, a little spicy situation.
Don't. I feel awkward.
You got the inside booby cup, so like I don't have to worry about putting a bra on. Oof. Love that for me. Ooh, spicy.
Depending on like the weather or how you're feeling on the day, I got you a long sleeve black
Ooh.
cropped top. It's kind of trendy, so like
Like,
you
am I
want to look.
slender Catwoman or am I sexy Catwoman? Who knows? You'll have to wait and see. XOXO, gossip cat.
What?
oh, hey,
What? Are you kidding me? You look so freaking pretty, babe.
I just feel like a tail doesn't look. So, before I rate the outfit, you guys give me some whiskers. Got a black eyeliner. Are you nervous?
Very. I need to like hold you.
I really just don't understand this whisker. Let me know what you guys think of them in the comments.
I'm so embarrassed.
What do you rate your whiskers?
0.
I honestly think the costume's pretty cute, but like, I think I'm gonna rate you a 2 for creativity. If I like didn't have a backup, I'd probably wear it. Overall, I'm gonna rate you like a 7.
That's pretty good.
It wasn't super creative and the whiskers were like pretty bad, but like it's cute. I like feel cute. Okay, peace. That is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Comment down below and let me know what you guys are dressing up as for Halloween. Also in the comments, make sure to rate Kane's outfits because I'm curious what you guys think. Hit subscribe and all that other stuff down below if you guys haven't already, and make sure to go follow Kane on Instagram. This is his Instagram right here. Very cute. I edit his feed. We'll see you guys next time.
All 3 of us. What about
Bye.
the other dog?